The petition from day one was founded on fundamental problem that afflicted PDP before the election, in that they were unable to produce a candidate. And it was unfortunate that by some kind of design, they still managed to get their candidate's name on the ballot box. The judgment of this court today is a landmark judgment, in that this is the first time in Nigeria that a governorship candidate is going to be returned on the basis of the doctrine of wasted votes. It has happened in cases of senators, House of Reps, but it has never happened in the governorship election matter. And that is thanks to the clarification that the Supreme Court has brought to this issue in a number of judgments in the last 4 or 5 years. It means that the era of impunity in party primary is gone. It is not only a lesson for PDP, it's a lesson for all political parties. The court was spot on because in this case, INEC did the right thing by coming to court on subpoena to give all relevant reports of candidates that emerged from party primaries, and in their own state, Taraba, INEC went for monitoring. There was no primary. There was a formal report, official report of INEC, that there was no primary. And that PDP claimed later to have gone to the head office in Abuja to hold a midnight primary much later after the time for primary had been concluded. And you can see the consequence of that today. We thank God that the journey that started on April 11 today has reached some milestone. And we believe that Aisha has fought a good fight, and the people have given her the support, and it shows that she's actually a governor that is deserving of the trust that the Taraba people had in her. But you know, this is not the end of the road. There are opportunities for all the parties to further explore whatever grievance they have until we are through with under 21 days, after which, if they do not, Aisha deserves to be sworn as governor of Taraba State, inshallah.
And if they do appeal?
If they do appeal, the present occupant of the office that the court has found out to have been a candidate at all that should have emerged can remain in office in the interim. It will remain, just be an interim governor until if they go on appeal and the outcome of the appeal goes otherwise. But which we are very, very optimistic that that cannot happen, given the very straightforwardness of the issues in this matter.
As my colleague have said, we found out after the election that PDP did not conduct its primaries at all, and that the same acting governor now was not nominated, neither was he sponsored by his political party. The crux of the matter is, Aisha Alhassan contested election against no PDP candidate. And as you have heard from the court, the ideal thing to do in the circumstance is to return her as the person who have won the election.